2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, power sunroof, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.